You have been looking for ways to get your 4,000 watch hour. Look at what other creators are doing. They are playing game. And how do you think this came about? How do you think that this is happening right now? This game is being played live. I want to play it so you see. Do you see that she's playing this game? Now, this is another method you can use to attract people to your live stream. Writing something on a white paper board, you know, writing something on a white paper board, and then you'll be writing their names, you'll be putting, just interacting. Your face is not showing, you're not showing your face, you're only showing your hands, your paper, and your pen, and you are doing something good. Now, this one is game, and I'm in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can play this game while live streaming. You see, you can be able to play this game while live streaming. Now, this is another method of live streaming also. Do you see other methods of live streaming? Do you see other method of live streaming? Now, live streaming is not complicated. Live streaming is not complicated. Many people are using live streaming to get their 4,000 watch hour. In fact, after getting 4,000 watch hour, people still live stream to make money on YouTube. YouTube pays for live streaming. YouTube pays for live streaming. That is what I want you to know in this video. Now, let's go to your phone. This is your YouTube app right here. Now, when you are on your YouTube app, you are going to click on this plus sign button. Very, very easy. Now, you can see that it's taking me to live because I've already indicated that I want to go live. Now, this is where you are going to do everything. It is not hard. You click on this plus sign button here. This plus sign button here, just click on it. And then what you do is you have to put a very good thumbnail. Just take a very good thumbnail, upload it, upload a very good thumbnail to this is just a demo. I'm not going live, so I'm just going to use this as an example. So you can see that I've already pinched it to fit, and then you save. Then you now write, this is my channel name, so it's playing game for fun, joining. Now you can just write this, and then you have to remove this from unlisted to public. Make sure that this is for public so that everyone can see this live stream. So once you have put it in public, then you are going to still check this on. This is going to enable your live stream to be very interactive. Check this on so that you can invite guests. Like, people will come up and tell you that they want to, join your live stream. Then your description is already a description that is this description is already what is your channel YouTube settings already. So that is what is automatically going to be in this your description. Do you understand now? So that is what is in your description. And then just once you are done with this, then you click next, and then you are going to still, because YouTube is still going to tell you to confirm that your live stream or your video or whatever you are doing, it is not made for kids. So once you are confirming this, then you click next. So once you click next, the you are going to automatically start to go live. You are going to go live. Now you can see, because I have already toggled on I've already toggled on to go live together with somebody. So you have to send this link to somebody to join my live stream. So if I don't want to do, you can just copy this link here, send it to the person that you want to play this game with. Send it. So two of you can play the game, two of you can be live. And if you don't want this is optional. This is optional. So you will be here, the other guest to be here, and both of you will be here playing the game. Now, if you don't want to do this part, if you don't want to do this part, you can just go back, end the stream. You can go back, end the stream, come here, and then click on this, come back here, click on this, is live for fun. So once you have done this, make sure that you put your life in public. Once you have put your life in public, you choose your thumbnail that you want to use, then you save it. Then now just leave it, don't toggle it on again, just leave it off, and then you go live. So once you go live like this, is very easy. Once you go live, you are going to wait for it, it's going to show live stream and it's going to start reading here. upload automatically to your channel. You click done, it will upload automatically to your channel, and you can pick some short aspect of it and put it as your short video. That is how you can get your 4,000 watch hour using this gaming method. And using the other method I still talked about, there is another method that I talked about. That one, you just set your camera. That one, just come here. This live stream has ended, so just come here, set your camera here. This is what this person is doing. Just set your camera here and then be writing people's name. This one is most popular. This part is most popular. Set your camera to show to your paper and your pen, and then when people are commenting, they are going to be writing name. Make sure that you are watching this video to this part. This part is the most important part. Just take a colored pen and then be writing people's name. This one is the most popular one. You can do this one very easy, and you'll be getting a lot of watch hour. People be here, be waiting for you to write their name. They'll be waiting for you to write their name into this paper. You see, when this paper finishes, there is another paper at the back. She's going to turn the paper and just be writing people's name. She can even turn on her audio and then be interacting and say, I've written your name, write me another name, I've written your name. Somebody will be like, do you know, this is an interactive live stream. People like this type of live stream. They want to see their name written. Then she can also, most of these people, they usually change the color of the marker they are using. They'll take a pink marker, they'll take a brown marker. Do you understand? This is most common, and this is the most common way to get your 4,000 watch hours. There are so many ways. You just need to find your own style. Find your own style and then do it. You are going to get people watching your video. People are going to keep watching it, and people are going to keep giving. The watch hour will keep coming. That is how it works. This one is not going to get you any copyright strike. You're not going to get any copyright strike. You're going to just be in the safer side of YouTube, either playing game or you are writing. You're not going to get any copyright strike. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Blessing. I teach tips, strategies on how you can grow your YouTube channel and everything AI, how to use AI, how to create videos with AI. And if you know that this is your first time you are seeing my channel, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be putting tips on how you can grow your YouTube channel and how you can grow your social media accounts in general. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.